In this video, I'll be showing you how to install drivers on Asus laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So the automated way is through the My Asus app. It identifies your specific serial number and matches it with the latest 2026 firmware. So you can just open up the My Asus app, click customer support, go to the live update tab and switch from latest to essentials. Check the boxes for the drivers you need and click update. What you could also do is the manual way, and you can use this if your driver is missing and you can't get it online via the app. So what you want to do is go over to the Asus download center, enter in your model name, and then go ahead and select the driver or utility, select your operating system and then download the specific driver, and then move the file to your Asus laptop via the USB and run an exe file. Now, what you can also do in 2026, Microsoft hosts most Asus Precision drivers directly on their servers. So what you could do is right click on your Windows icon, go to settings, go to Windows Update, then go to advanced options. Once you're here, go over to optional updates, which is going to be right here. And then all you got to do is expand driver updates and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.